Hello, welcome back to Python programming. Uh, s- okay, splitting. What is splitting actually? In the splitting, here splitting means splitting based on the one space or splitting based on the comma. Like that you need to do. Okay. Let us see the program. Just see the program here. Okay. Now just we'll do splitting. Okay. Let us say the hello world. Okay. Give this hello world. Okay. So we need to split. Okay, b is equal to a dot split of some space. I am giving space. Okay, print b. Right, just see hello is one word and world is another thing because it is separated with the space. I am taking a space, right? So just run here. See here, hello world. Oh, actually, here just see. Okay, it is somewhat confusing. Let us say give some comma here. Okay, so here we also taking separate with comma. Now see, now without confusion we'll get understand. Okay, okay, now see here. Here we are separating this to a string a using comma. So whenever comma is there, then it is separated. Here see here, we are taking this based on the comma, we are separated that string and we need to provide in the different list. This is called list. This is called a list. Okay, this way we can do the split operation, right? So this is very useful for further whenever you doing some other higher level examples. Just see, just remember this.